My dear brothers and sisters, if you have been following our readings, most especially when we began December 17 up until today, you may have heard that at least during the first or second day after the birth of John the Baptist was proclaimed and was announced to the couple Zechariah and Elizabeth, Zechariah was torn down to silence after having not believed the message of the angel. He was reduced to silence. He was mute. He became mute when he was not able to believe the message of the angel. But lo and behold, after God fulfilled His promise, after God remembered His goodness toward Zechariah and Elizabeth, today we heard how Zechariah himself spoke blessings, praises, and the promises of God. And we can all learn from Zechariah's words and Zechariah's own experience that after long years, long waiting, after long waiting of what we've been what we are praying for, after waiting comes praising God. He praised God because God has been faithful. He praised God for He has remembered His covenant to them, to this couple needing of a good family, to this family, to this community who had experienced such kind of trouble. After waiting comes praising. Hindi naman niya po dinagdag pa ang kanyang reklamo sa Diyos na tila sinabi niya, salamat dahil binigay mo sa amin to. Salamat dahil deserve namin ito. O kaya parang pinalandakan niya pa sa Diyos. O tila nagreklamo pa siya sa Diyos na dapat talaga binigay mo sa amin ito. But after waiting, he praised God. But more than those, my dear brothers and sisters, Zechariah gave and revealed the words of promise. Promise not only for God to man, but promises that indeed will change eventually the lives of people. And one of the fruitful promises he made mention were these words, "The dawn from on high shall break upon us." In the tender compassion of our God, the dawn from on high shall break upon us. Dahil lubhang mahabagin ng ating Diyos, magbubukang liwayway sa atin ang araw ng kaligtasan. And indeed, it is fitting that before hours we celebrate the Christmas celebrations, we hold on to this promise that because God is merciful, the dawn from on high, Jesus Himself will break down upon us, will be with us. And as I've said, the story of Zechariah is but a story of inspiration. We will be in times of waiting, but let us also hold on to the truth that one day we will be praising God for every goodness, for every experience that we have embraced. And all the more to hold on that every day, because God is kind, God is merciful, God is loving, He will continue to break down among us. He will continue to send down among us His loving Son to fulfill His promise and to make our prayers true.